Hello, this is Matt Tippett. I'm the CEO of Voice2insight, and I want to introduce you to the Voice2insight mobile dictation for Redtail CRM. Since 1994, Voice2insight has provided a simple and easy mobile dictation solution for professionals from all industries. This allows each user to automatically update their CRM by simply making a phone call, leaving their voice message, and moving on to their next task or appointment, all with the highest security and accuracy. With Voice2insight and Redtail, there's no copying and pasting from an email or message. You can seamlessly update all common fields with a simple phone call, and it's 100% fully integrated. Phone calls can be up to 60 minutes long with multiple reports per call, and sound files can be stored securely online using a free mobile app. With security, no customer data is ever stored by Voice2insight, and we conduct external and internal audits. We use the highest encryption with our world-class data center that's SAS 70 Type 2 certified. We are PCI compliant, FINRA and SEC compliant, HIPAA compliant. We set up a contract as a third party, and we follow all FTC standards for safeguarding customer information and privacy. All of our transcriptionists are US-based employees with no independent contractors. In the financial world, compliance is critical. 29% of compliance violations are related to record keeping. So what is the solution? Well, you can type yourself, spending 10 hours or more per month. You can try speech recognition, but the accuracy is questionable. Or you can use Voice2insight. And Voice2insight is bridging technology and transcription. It works with every smartphone. Obviously, you call an 800 number. The results are simple and easy to use. It's cost-effective and high quality and seamlessly flows into your Redtail CRM. As an advisor, you have better follow-up, a better sales process, time to earn more money, and you have compliant record keeping. From a business perspective, you have greater user adoption, pipeline management, and your forecasting and analytics are more accurate with lower training costs. Does it really work? Since 1994, our customers have included large, heavy industrial, manufacturing, concrete, chemical, banks, Department of Defense contractors, insurance companies, financial advisors, and the list goes on and on. For our Redtail integration, go to www.voice2insight.com and sign up for a free Redtail trial. You'll receive an email with a secure link. Click on that link and fill out the form. That form will ask you for your username and password that are never stored. Those are just used to create a security token, and we recommend that when you're finished, you go ahead and change your password. We will then send you an email with your caller ID or PIN and a toll-free number. Let me show you what that form looks like. Again, this form requests your username and password, a caller ID from us, and email, only to generate a Redtail security token. We will never ever store your username and password. We are a trusted partner. We'd like to now make a call, but I want to show you over here on the right, we've created a sample call card. And if you follow that call card, it will have all of the different fields that we've integrated on. You don't have to use all of them. You can use just a few of them. The red ones are required. As we make a call, we're going to dial a toll-free number, enter our ID number, press 1 to leave a report. We'll say our name, speak clearly. We'll follow that card. We can leave multiple reports per call, and then we'll hang up when we're done. I want to show you how that works, and so I made a call earlier.
Hi, this is Matt Tippett. I'd like to add a new individual. His name is George Foreman. He is the CTO at ABC Trucking. His wife's name is Jane Foreman, and his address is 1425 South Salem Street in South Bend, Colorado, 42115. His home phone number is 303-555-1212, and his cell phone is 303-555-4321. His email is his email is gforeman@abctrucking.com. I'd like to add a note George and Jane have separate term life accounts, and they may be adding Sue as another contingent beneficiary. I will email George some new stocks he might want to consider adding to his mix, and he'll discuss with their accountant and let me know how to proceed at the next review. Let's set up a client review for April 8th at 2:30 p.m. to talk about his estate plan. I'd also like to set up a lunch meeting on March 21st at 12:30 p.m. to discuss allocations. I also want to start the new customer email campaign. Thanks. Bye.
I hope you see how easy that was to do. Just as an overview, we called a toll-free number, we left a voicemail. That voicemail was sent to a US-based transcriptionist. They typed the voice file into a custom form that I'm going to show you in a moment, and then that text is automatically synced into your Redtail using your custom integration. Our transcriptionists type into a secure application we call V2I Surround. They are not logged into your Redtail, and they only type into fields that you want us to integrate on. All search results contain only limited data, only enough to find the right client or account or contact or other lookup. At the end of that call, you notice that I started a follow-up campaign. Statistics show that the average rep only makes 1.3 calls to a potential lead or client. Yet 75% of sales are closed on the third call, almost 90% on the sixth call. So Voice2insight provides a follow-up campaign that will touch or create calendar events for 45 to 200 days automatically. All you say is start the new lead campaign or start the hot lead campaign when you want help doubling or tripling your touches or call attempts. Now we've created 4 default follow-up campaigns. The first one, new lead, as you can see there on the screen, first we send an opt-in email immediately. A day later, your first email will go out to them. 9 days later, we automatically create a calendar event in Redtail to remind you to call that new lead or contact. 18 days later, we send the second email. 27 days later, we automatically create another calendar event to remind you to contact them. 60 days later, another calendar event. 90 days later, another calendar event. And in 120 days, we create a task to remind you to send information to them or to make a decision whether you want to go or no go with that client. With the hot lead campaign, we do that same campaign but over fewer days, only taking 45 days. The nurture lead goes out over 200 days, and the new customer campaign goes out over 100 days. Just as an overview, I wanted to touch security again. No customer data is ever stored. We conduct yearly and quarterly external audits, as well as daily and weekly internal audits. We use the highest level of encryption with our world-class data center facility. We are PCI Level 3 compliant, FINRA and SEC compliant, HIPAA compliant, and all of our transcriptionists are US-based employees, no independent contractors, and they all go through constant security training. Now let's log into Redtail and see what happened with our call. First we'll go to search for a contact, put in a last name, type in Foreman, click search, and there's George. And you'll see that it created a contact record. He's the CTO at ABC Trucking, automatically linked to the ABC Trucking business. We have a spouse, Jane Foreman, that's connected there. You can see all of the activities. We set up a lunch meeting on the 21st of March. We have a client review on April 8th. These 2 open activities here were automatically generated by our follow-up campaign. Now I created a demo campaign and both of those fired off at the same time. But if you remember from our slide, those will automatically be generated only on certain days depending on the campaign. We also have our note that we added here. Again, the full text of that note. You can also see up here on the right the home phone, cellular phone, an email address, the home address. Down here toward the bottom, we've also created a family link to Jane Foreman, the spouse. and a membership with ABC Trucking, all with a simple phone call. We hope you enjoyed this presentation, but if you have additional questions, please give me a call at 801-839-3332. Again, that's 801-839-3332. And we wish you all the best. Thank you.